In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage rules in Outlook in just 5 minutes. Managing your inbox efficiently can be a game changer in keeping your emails organized and your productivity high. Setting up rules in Outlook lets you automate the sorting of your emails, ensuring that you never miss important messages. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Outlook account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Outlook login page as part of the Microsoft 365 suite. If you're not already signed in, click on the sign in button and enter your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the correct account if you have more than one. This will direct you to your Outlook dashboard, which is your main hub for handling emails. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the Mail section of Outlook, which is generally your primary interface showing a list of all your received messages. Up at the top right corner, you'll notice a gear icon which represents settings. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options to customize your email interface. From the drop-down menu, you want to click on Mail. This will take you to another panel where you can find various options related to your emails. Now look for an option labeled Rules and go ahead and click on it. Here is where you'll be able to set up rules that can help automate your email organization. Next, proceed by clicking on Add New Rule. This is where the real magic happens. You can name your rule to describe what it does, which is also useful for managing multiple rules. For example, if you want to sort all newsletters into a specific folder, you could name it Newsletter Autofilter. Then specify the conditions under which this rule should apply. This could be based on the sender, the subject line, or specific keywords. For instance, if you want every email with the word invoice in the subject to be moved to a folder labeled Invoices, you would set invoice as the condition. After setting the conditions, decide on the action Outlook should take when these conditions are met. You can have the email moved to a specific folder, categorized, or even deleted. Once you have set everything to your liking, click Save to activate your new rule. Congratulations, you have successfully set up a rule in Outlook. This will automatically sort your future emails according to the conditions you've specified, significantly reducing clutter and improving your email workflow. You can create as many rules as you need, editing or removing them over time to continuously adapt to your communication needs. That's it for today's guide on creating Outlook rules. Remember, a well-organized inbox is a productive one. Thanks for joining me and see you in the next video.